Hey everyone, Crash with Crashly here. I have another Diamond Art Club Black Friday sneak peek. This is another Mandie Manzano, my favorite artist. It is A Walk to Forget. Look how beautiful it is. I love her stained glass gown and those wings. It almost looks like she's in a cave to me. I don't know, look at those colors. It's so pretty. And this is a 55.8 centimeter by 78.7 centimeter. It is a square drill with all the blue font here. And if it was pink and had a circle, it would be a round drill. Here's the outside of the box, kit contents, how-tos. You have your thumbnail there. Looks like our total diamonds is 70,784. We have 53 colors, including 3 ABs and 2 fairy dust. We also have our thumbnail at the bottom here. Let's go ahead and get into this. I hope you all have been spending all sorts of your money on these crazy, awesome Black Friday releases they've had. This year is one heck of a nice spread they did. They did. Good job. All right. So we're going to briefly go through the toolkit. As I previously said in our Black Friday unboxings here, we're going to go through it quickly. If you want a more detailed description of the toolkit, check out the other unboxings. So we do have our upgraded pen, which you twist when it comes out slowly, twist slowly. Refillable putty. We have our baggies. We have our tray with a lid with wax, extra multi-placer, and a single placer if you'd prefer to use the pink pens. And we have our thank you little note card here. Let me just zoom in a little bit. All right, let's open this up here. Okay, we have our thumbnail here where you can put your start date and end date for your, log books if you like to keep track of that kind of thing. We have all of our symbols. Look at this. And Diamond Art Club has now put their ABs and fairy dust at the very end of the line. And these are individual stickers you can use on your containers. I've always liked how bold their symbols are. And it almost always seems like 5200 is that white dot. I don't know. Maybe it's not all of them, but it seems like that's the common thing. Maybe I'm crazy. And like 310 is like a black dot. Or like black with a white dot. I don't know. But anyway, here's the inside. It has a step-by-step instruction, tips and tricks, their QR code to their Facebook group if you want to see other releases. Also, if it's your first time purchasing from Diamond Art Club, check out the link in my description below. That will give you a discount, and I get a little bit of a kickback as well because it is an affiliate link. So check that out if it's your first time purchasing. Let's set this box over here. And here is our trading card. I love these so very much, especially the Mandie ones. Look how pretty that picture is on this card. This is like another collectible item. You can also use these to trade in for rewards, such as gift cards and even a custom diamond painting. It has your dimensions, the artist, the title, and that's where you scratch off to get your claim code. So there's different tiers. If you want more information about these cards, check out their website on the trading cards, and it'll tell you about the different tiers and such. All right, we're going to zoom back out a little bit. Let's get into this canvas. So I am curious, at the time posting this video, how many Black Friday new releases have you purchased? Tell me in the comments below. I think I'm up to 10 or 15-ish now. There was like the witch desk I had to have. But anyway, let's open this up. I think I'm at the bottom always. We're going to open it up a little sideways here so I don't lose the drills. There we go. Let's put this over here. Look at this. This is so pretty. All right, let's flatten it out just a little bit. And I'm just doing that by peeling up the corners here and putting it back down. So we do have our perforated plastic here with the red little guidelines here. If you're not familiar with perforated plastic, that means that it's automatic. It's kind of already sectioned out for you. You can just peel a little bit and it goes right along those lines. And then the red lines here are to help you see where the perforations are. And there's no bleed through on this, as you can see. Perfectly clear. I love these colors. It's something about Mandie's ombres that she does. And that's something, I'm a clay artist too. So like pairing colors together to make these beautiful ombres has always been a struggle of mine. And she just, she nailed it. And we get into even more colors at the top here. We have our hint of purples and blues. And this is like an amber color. And I asked her what the meaning behind this was, and she says she painted this particular painting about 10 years ago, and she thinks it might be a breakup. Like she was going through a breakup or something, that was her inspiration. But this can be interpreted as so many different things. It's just, oh, I love it so, so much. Lots of bold colors and her signature black stained glass feature she does. Let's go ahead and go through the colors. Yeah, I was able to talk to her about a few of the paintings that I had unboxed, and gosh, she's so cool. I love her. We're best friends now, FYI. Anyway, all right. Let's go through these. I'm going to zoom in just a little bit again. We have 300. We have a bunch of 310s here. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bags of 310s. We have 918, 400, 3857, 823. Looks like 2 bags of 823. We have a bag of 336, 782. Ooh, look at this. An AB 3846. Big old bag of them. 780. 2 bags of 921. 939. 2 big bags of 550. Next. Oh, we have 2 bags of 741. That's her dress right here. 2 bags of 920. 815. Ooh, 2 great big bags of Z973. Ooh, pretty. We have 2 bags of 740, 825, 742, 2 bags of that, 803, 3845, 154, 824, 935, 898, 3843, and here is another bag of ABs, AB 5200. Beautiful. All right, I think this might be... Oh, we have a baby strand. Okay, the baby strand is 581, 844, 3837, 783, 936. This should be our last one here. Okay, this one is 3836. Then we have 333, 958, 3823, 3821, 553, 647, 3768, 3750, 646, 718. Really pretty. And here's another AB. It's like a lime green color. AB 3819, 915, 3078, 3799, 744, 827, 938. Here is Fairy Dust Z959. Beautiful. 580. All right. So those are our colors. Let's see if we could find these symbols. Okay, so we have 3 ABs. We have an E, a blue dash, and a white line. So we have our white ABs throughout the highlights of the wings here. And really it looks like the fairy dust and the ABs are just kind of throughout the fades. We have 2 fairy dusts, the star symbol and the heart. Okay, so we have the heart symbol, which is the yellow fairy dust going all throughout the lines of her dress here. And then the blue star, let's see if we can find that. We have the star kind of throughout too. It looks like it's up in her wings. Oh, this is just so pretty. See if I can get you a close-up of the symbols. This is in her hair. and get to the backgrounds. So this is quite a bit of color blocking. I don't really see any sections with tons of confetti. Oh, it's just stunning. Super pretty. Wow. We do have lots of 310s. I always like to, on my Mandie paintings, do all the 310 outlines like in her dress here, and then fill out the sections in between. I just love it. So there we have it, folks. I have a couple more videos coming for a Black Friday unboxings for Diamond Art Club. They have released these, so go check them out before they sell out. Happy shopping, everyone. If you're brand new here, click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you know when I'm posting another video. And yeah, hit the like button on your way out. So until next time, everyone, bye-bye.